In last lecture, we have given the introduction of sequence and series. Here, we shall discuss about first of series, that is arithmetic progression or arithmetic series. Arithmetic progression or arithmetic series. AP, the full form of arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. AS is known as arithmetic series. First of all, consider what is an AP. Where you will get the terms given in the sequence are in AP. If the difference between two consecutive terms will be same, then the series is called in arithmetic series or arithmetic progression. The difference between two consecutive terms will be same, then you will get the series is called a arithmetic progression or arithmetic series. Suppose you have the terms a plus d, a plus 2d, etc. This is first term, this is second term, third term, here you will see that second term minus first term will be d, third term minus second term will be d, etc. will get tn minus 1 over d. Means all the consecutive terms having difference same, then the series is called in AP. How you will find out the series with last term, nth term? Suppose you have a term nth terms of AP. Suppose you have term first term T1 equal to A. It may be written as A plus 0 into D, A plus 1 minus 1 into D. Second term T2. T2 will be A plus D. Written as 2 minus 1 into D. T3 A plus twice D, that means A plus 3 minus 1 into D. Therefore, Tn will be A plus n minus 1 into D. Tn is also known as the last term of the sequence in from beginning or in increasing order. If you will consider the sequence in descending order, then you will get n equal to nth term from last will n minus 1 into d. This is the basic form of find out the nth terms of AP. In AP, you have to consider always the terms of the form A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus so on, A plus n minus 1D. In AP, you have to find out where the terms are in of AP or the sequence given to consecutive terms is AP, arithmetic mean and properties of AP. Means AP has four types of problems. First problem is if you have a given a sequence, then you have to find out whether the given terms are in AP or not. Second, you have to find out the problems based on nth terms of AP. Third is that if you have a three consecutive terms, three consecutive terms in AP, then you will write A minus D, A of A plus D. Suppose you have four consecutive terms in AP. We'll consider A minus thrice D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus thrice D, which will be in AP. This is in the similar way you can find out the five consecutive terms in AP, six consecutive terms in AP. Now consider the properties of AP. Properties of AP means properties of AP. If you have the terms of A1, A2, A3, AN, they are in AP. In AP, any term, if each term is added or subtracted by a different number, then the result will be also in AP. Suppose you have A1 plus minus D, A2 plus minus D, etc. Then series will be R in AP. Second, in AP, if you multiply any consecutive terms, suppose A1 into K, A2 into K, AN of K, this will be also R in AP. In AP, you have, if you find any constant terms A1 upon K, A2 upon K, A3 upon K, the result will be in AP. Third type of AP is based on arithmetic means. First type of AP is based on arithmetic means. Now, one is that arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean. Suppose you have A, B, C are in AP. Then B is the mean of A and C. That means B minus A, C minus B equal to D, B minus A equal to C minus B, that is twice B equal to A plus C, that is B equal to A plus C upon 2. Suppose you have to find out more than one mean between two given quantities. Suppose you have x1, x2 be the arithmetic means between A and B. Then you may write it A, x1, x2, B are in AP. Here the number of terms will be 4, B will be last term, then we'll get b equal to a plus 4 minus 1 into d. That will be b equal to a plus thrice d. b minus a equal to thrice d. That means d equal to b minus a upon 3. Now you have to find out the mean of mean x1 and x2.
3.
x1 will be second term. We will get a plus d. That means a plus b minus a upon 2. x2 will be a plus 2d. Means a plus twice of b minus a. Suppose you have to find out n means between a and b. Suppose you have means a1, a2, a3, an are n means. Then how you can calculate the each and every mean between a and b. Therefore a, a1, a2, a3 and a and b are in AP. If b will be the last term, then number of terms will be n plus 1 plus 1 plus 2. b will be a plus n plus 2 minus 1 of d. That means b minus equal to n plus 1 into d. So d will be b minus a upon n plus 1. The value of a1, a plus d, a plus b minus a upon n plus 1, a2, a plus 2d, a plus twice of b minus a upon n plus 1. Similar way, a n will be a plus nd, a plus n of b minus a upon n plus 1. This is the 4 types of AP's problem, AM. The last type of AP's problems are sum to n terms of AP. We shall consider in next class how we'll find the sum of n terms of AP, then how you can solve the different problems by different methods. Okay, thank you. Hope you like this my lectures. If you like, then you may subscribe my on YouTube channels.